Hello! Welcome back to my cocktail vlog. Today I show you the Añogo cocktail. For the Añogo cocktail I have 3 spirits and I think the combination of the spirits is a little bit strange, but the taste of the Añogo cocktail is very great. But now let's start with our Añogo cocktail. I need a cocktail shaker and I fill my cocktail shaker with some ice. And then I need 30 milliliters of Tequila Reposado. Here are my 30 milliliters. And I need 50 milliliters of Eggnog or Advocaat. 50 milliliters. And I need 15 milliliters of sherry. 50 milliliters of sherry. And now we will shake it. Here we are. And I take an old-fashioned glass and I fill my old-fashioned glass with some fresh ice. And now I will strain the Añogo cocktail inside. Yeah. And in the end I need an orange zest twist, and I burn my orange zest twist a little bit. And put it inside. Here we are, the Añogo cocktail. And I think it's the combination, I don't know, but you should try it at home and you should taste it. In my opinion, it tastes very great. And if you like some very great cocktail recipes, please subscribe my channel. And I say now, goodbye!